The last thing you want to say to kids is two things: focus and pay attention. All right? Think of some words like, hey, come on back, or hey, we miss you. Think of words that kind of will help kids to go, oh yeah, okay, I'm back with you. But as soon as we say focus, pay attention, we're actually kind of shutting down the internal desire to attend. So it's like I want to always say to kids, like, hey, I'm missing you over here. I've gone with some older kids and I write little sticky notes and I say, please join us, we miss you, we're in language arts, where are you? And they'll kind of laugh and go, oh yeah, here, I'm coming back. I don't want it to be such a like, pay attention, this is super boring and you hate it, but you must focus, all right? Because that's the message they're kind of getting.